Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Redmi 12, and now I can show you how to enable caller ID announcement on this device. So, firstly, open the phone application and click on the three dots button on the right up corner of your screen and click Settings. Then scroll down and choose Caller ID Announcement. Choose Enhance Caller ID and choose Always or Only when using a headset. Go back and great. Now when someone calls you and you will wear the headsets, so your earbuds, Bluetooth earbuds or not Bluetooth, so in this way your smartphone will read aloud who calls to you. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.